Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan exercise ke-30. Nah, di sini angkanya kecil ya. Sakit mataku ngeliat. Kita langsung aja ke SOLIDWORKS-nya. Bah, agak bancu. Kita cek plan-nya. Plan yang front. Satu baru kita bikin rectangle.
I was a foolish little child, crazy things I used to do, and all the pain I put you through. Mama, now I'm here for you. All the times I made you cry, the days I told you lies. Now it's time for you to rise, for all the things you sacrificed. Oh, if I could turn back time, if I could pick it undone, I swear that I would make it up to you. Mama, grown up now, it's a brand new day. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. Mama, grown up now, and it's not too late. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. How I finally understand the famous line about a day I face time, 'cause now I got a child of mine. And even though I was so bad, I've learned so much from you. Now I'm trying to do it too. Love my kid the way you do.
Di sini kita jadi pandangan
Oh, if I could turn back time, if I could make it undone, I swear that I would make it up to you. Mama, grown up now, it's a brand new day. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. Mama, grown up now, and it's not too late. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. You know you are the number one for me. You know you are the number one for me. You know you are the number one for me. Oh, oh, number one for me. You know you are the number one for me. You know you are the number one for me. You know you are the number one for me. Oh, oh, number one for me. There's no one in this world that can take your place. Oh, I'm sorry for taking you for granted. Ooh, I use every chance I get to make you smile. Whenever I'm around you, now I'm trying to love you, love you, love you. Only God knows how much you mean to me.
24 dan 20.
Oh, if I could turn back time, if I could make it undone, I swear that I would make it up to you. Mama, grown up now, it's a brand new day. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. Mama, grown up now, and it's not too late. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. Mama, grown up now, it's a brand new day. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. Mama, grown up now, and it's not too late. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day.
The number one for me. The number one for me.
The number one for me. Oh, oh, number one for me.
Cara tingginya ini adalah 8 berarti
I was so far from you, yet to me you were always so close. I wandered lost in the dark. I closed my eyes to all the signs you put in my way. I walked every day further and further away from you. Ooh,
Allah.
you brought me home. I thank you with every breath I take. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. I never thought about all the things you have given to me. I never let you on. I was too proud to see the truth and prostrate to you until I took the first step. And that's when you opened the doors for me. Now I realize what I was missing by being far from you. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Oh, thank you. I wanna thank you for all the things that you've done. You've done for me through all my years I've been lost. You guided me from all the ways that were wrong. Indeed, you gave me hope. Oh, Allah, I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you for all the things that you've done. You've done for me through all my years I've been lost. You guided me from all the ways that were wrong. I wanna thank you for bringing me home. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah.
Tahu aku. Ya tahu. Sketch. Lain.
I hear the flowers kinda crying loud.
The breeze sounding sad.
Oh no, tell me when did we become so cold and empty inside? Lost away a long time ago. Did we really turn that blind? We don't see that we keep hurting each other, no. All we do is just fight. Now we share the same bright sun, the same round moon. Why don't we share the same love? Tell me why not? Life is shorter than most have thought. Hold my hand, there are many ways to invite. Hold my hand, turn around and see what we left behind. Hold my hand, my
Ini
friend.
sulit, nggak sulit sih. Aku lagi mencari tahu gimana sih ini error. Jadi kalian kalau mau skip aja. Nah ini bakalan lambat. Sumpah. Nah.
Children seem like they've lost their smile on the new bloody playgrounds. Oh no, how could we ignore heartbreaking crying sounds? And we're still going on like nobody really cares. And we just stop feeling all the pain because like it's a daily basic affair. Now we share the same bright sun, the same round moon. Why don't we share the same love? Tell me why not? Life is shorter than what's that for? Hold my hand, there are many ways to it right. Hold my hand, turn around and see
Atau
what
begini.
we left behind. Hold my hand, my friend, we can send the good spirit of being you for another chance. And let's pray for the beautiful world I share with you. No matter how far I might be, I'm always gonna be your neighbor. There's only one small planet where to be, so I'm always gonna be your neighbor.
Slip, tapi
Can't
dia
hide, can't deny that we always gonna be neighbors. Your neighbor, my neighbor, we're neighbors. So hold my hand, there are many ways to do it right. Hold my hand, turn around and see what we left behind. Hold my hand, there are many ways to do it right. Hold my hand,
Walau kita bikin
turn
semuanya.
around and see
Wah,
what we
murah
left
banget.
behind. Hold my hand, my friend, we can send the good spirit of being you for another chance. And let's pray for the beautiful world I share with you.
Jadi kalau kalian nonton video ini langsung skip aja guys ya. Karena ya banyak percobaan-cobaan yang istilahnya menghambat kalian mengerjakan. Ini langsung skip aja. Part yang sebelumnya 34 34. Setelah itu jaraknya antara lagu 30. Setelah itu
In the time of darkness and grief,
kontrol 7
it is your light that we
penyalannya sampai sini.
need. You came to teach us how to live. Muhammad, ya Rasulullah, you were so caring and kind.
sketch biar kita execute.
You are the best of mankind. Muhammad, khairu khalqillah. Sallu ala Rasulillah, Habib al-Mustafa.
That's it.
Peace be upon the messenger, the chosen one. From luxury turn away, all night you would pray, truthful in every word you say.
Kasi ko na menggunakan lupa.
Your face was brighter than the sun.
Ikaw bayang.
You are Allah's chosen one. Muhammad, khairu khalqillah. Sallu ala Rasulillah, Habib al-Mustafa. Peace be upon the messenger, the chosen one. I try to follow your way and do my best to live my life as you taught me. I pray to be close to you on that day and see you smile when you see me. Sallu ala Rasulillah,
Habib al-Mustafa. Ya, exercise ke-30 meskipun panjang guys. Di skip aja nanti kalau kalian nonton. Oke, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.